wonderful to be back with you bakers. Haven't we missed our bakers?
Yes.
We've been off on a little bit of a hiatus. Do you want to share with our bakers some of the things that have been happening in our lives?
I've been playing with my sister a lot. We've been going to the park a couple of times. A couple of times we went to the water park too.
And what about Mommy?
Mommy's finally a nurse.
Mommy became a nurse! Woo-hoo! Mommy is AKA our beautiful camera girl, and we are thrilled. She was studying for her NCLEX and then she passed them and she just got her first job offer. Can we get a high five for Mommy? Yeah! And I have been studying like crazy for my school. I am almost there. I can taste my degree. It's happening very, very soon. So we've had so much going on, but we're super happy to bring you this short and sweet video, just like we are, right?
Just like we are.
We're gonna need nerds. A lot of nerds.
A lot.
As you can see.
We have more nerds over there.
We have more nerds over there. I secretly got extra because who doesn't love nerds, right? First, we're gonna pour nerds on our parchment paper. So
Every
we just have
single drop.
every drop. We forgot to go over our ingredients. So, ready? Valentina, would you like to walk our bakers off the list of ingredients we have?
We have 1 pack of nerds, another pack of nerds, more pack of nerds, some gummies,
A bowl.
a cup, a bag, a spatula.
You can grab any kind of nerds you want. We got our stuff at the dollar store, of course, so they sell rainbow nerds. And we also got these super cool, they're called sour kicks. They're zingy, get it? They're kicks because they're actually little gummy sneakers. How cute are these? But gummy bears will be perfectly fine as well. We love sour, so I went with the sour.
Sour.
First things first, don't fall on me, okay? We're gonna pour our nerds all over our parchment paper. Hold on. Little trick there, you know, so it fits our baking dish just right. You can also use a silicone mat if you don't have parchment paper. We're gonna pour our nerds all over. A nice big layer of nerds.
Ooh, those are giant ones. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at this.
Oh wow,
Look
that
at
is
this,
a big
bakers.
cluster.
More nerds!
Sir, we have a special guest. We gotta go shake. Go ahead. Shake. So we have nerds galore. And now we're gonna spread it out into a layer. A nice, dreamy, thick nerd layer. Onward! Take our gummies.
We're gonna take all of them, put it in the bowl, put it in the microwave. They're gonna melt down, and then we're gonna see what the next step is.
Good job. Oh my gosh, they are little gummy sneakers. How cute are these? They're not sour, but they have a little zing to them.
As you.
You want to try? Okay. You want to try too? Okay.
They are a little bit sour.
Okay, another one's going. Chubby might eat all of our gummies before we make it to the pouring it on the nerds part. It's good?
That's good.
Yeah? Oh, I'm glad. These are gonna go in a microwave safe bowl. You're gonna pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And we'll show you what it looks like when it gets there. This has come out of the microwave, 2 minutes in there. As you can see how gloopy it is. Wow. So at this point, we're gonna take our baggie. If you have a pastry bag, that works as well, or a sandwich bag will be just fine. And we're gonna pour.
We're gonna pour. Bakers, this looks so dreamy. So dreamy. So dreamy.
You wanna scrape the rest into the bag for me?
Yes! Don't miss a drop. It's all poured in.
All poured in.
Bakers.
And you wanna put your bowl that you had your gummies in hot water and soap immediately. Otherwise, good luck getting it out. It is still quite hot. So how about this? For the safety of everyone, I'm gonna do the gummy part and then you can go over the top with some more nerds. Does that sound like some good teamwork?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna cut a little slice in this. Here we go. Whee. 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 Whee.
But one more time, tell me what to do. Wee, wee, wee. One more time. Wee, wee.
Then we're gonna take our nerds and spread them on top. Doesn't this look super delightful?
Crinkly.
Oh. Oh my god. That is so good. Okay, look, we gotta
Bakers, did you just see her? Literally.
Pat, pat, pat. You see? Oh, no. You're not supposed to grab it.
Your fingers.
I know. Look at this. You do have to be patient with this recipe, guys. Even though it's short and sweet. You want to leave this in the fridge overnight, preferably. We're not that patient, so we're gonna pop it into the freezer and we'll see how long it takes for them to harden. And we'll show you when we get back.
1 hour.
And we're back, bakers.
They're so good. Just try them.
So what we did is, of course, because we're hashtag team no patience, we took a few of the clusters and popped them in the freezer for 1 hour. But if you want to do this low and slow, you can put them in the fridge for 24 hours. But who has the time for that? Am I right? Not us. These are the ones we didn't put into the freezer, and you can still see they're very pliable gummies. They've cooled to the touch at this point, but if you want them hardened, pop them in the freezer.
Oh, and guys, before we try them, I want you guys to see my pom-poms. Grape and Pinkie Pie.
Oh, don't they look like little nerds?
Yep.
All right, cheers. Should we get one to Choopy to try?
Mm-hmm.
Choop, do you want to try one? Oh my gosh. What a treat that is, huh?
So good.
So good. So we highly suggest using the sour gummies, right? Oh my god. Because the nerds are also a little stinky. And then on top of the sour gummy. It was so much fun being back in the kitchen with our bakers today, right?
Yes.
High five. Yes. Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?